风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Yo, what's up, everyone? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and here comes the Hakka singer Ye Yu-Ting, who, by the way, as a college student, she already wrote a song called Pinning for Love and was chosen as the theme song for a Hakka TV drama. So this Hakka musician passes on Hakka culture through her music at a young age. And now this track here is called Lingtan Street, which is a street in Longtan, Taoyuan, where she was born, and she aims to give back to the area and memorialize it through music. By the means of the melody and lyrics, Ye Yu-Ting conveys her stories and emotions. Let's take a listen.这首歌呢是来自于出生于龙潭的叶玉婷的作品，叫做灵潭街，也就是灵潭街。你知道这条街还真的存在，就在龙潭池的旁边哦。那他想要借由音乐向那群曾经努力付出，让这条街变得更美好的人们来表达感谢。透过旋律与歌词，他将故事呢与情感深刻的传递。Wow, what a great connection she has with her childhood memory and the street that really exists in Longtan. Again, it's called Lingtan Street, Lingtan街 by Ye Yu-Ting. Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.